MRR, monthly recurring revenue, is the company's regular monthly income. This metric is tracked by startups, SaaS services, and other companies that work on a subscription model. With MRR, you can assess the current financial health of a business and predict future earnings based on active subscriptions. There are the following transactions for annual service subscriptions. Each transaction will generate revenue for the next 12 months from the start of the transaction date. Let us create a query that will contain the date of each day in the range you need. You can see our instructions in the description below or use your own version. Add a column, MStart, with the first day of the month. Assign each transaction to the months in which the subscription will be active. Also, divide the subscription amount by 12 months. Let's check on the example of the third subscription. It is valid from January 2022 to December 2023, and its amount is $2,700. 2,712 equals $225 per month. That's right. Finally, let's build visualizations.